Hello guys, this is Lauren, and I've seen my garlics. My other variety of garlics are already bent down, and it means that they are ready to harvest. And those are different varieties, and they are still very vigorous, and they are still standing, and they are bigger than this variety. So what I'm going to do now is harvest these smaller varieties. I think these are we called it in the Philippines native. When the garlics are smaller, they are native. So let's harvest. First harvest. Oh, I need a thing. I need this one. I don't want to damage the neck of the garlic. That's it. And you know why I want to harvest this one? Because there's a tomatoes. I planted tomatoes in between of them so that after harvesting, there's another crop after them. So that's how we do it here in a country that has a severe winter season. At least I can plant two crops in 4 months or 3 months. By the way, guys, this garlic were planted in September or October. I think October. So garlics are very and onions are very winter hardy. Although there are varieties of onion that is not winter hardy. So they are not the these garlic are not very big, but anyway, this is organic, and I grew them myself. So it's not the size, it's not the size, it's in the performance. So these smaller garlics are more tastier than the bigger garlic. They have the best aromas. Oh, I think they are not yet, these garlic are not yet fully developed, but since they bend down, there's no use to let them grow like that. So it means they are done. If it is bent, then it's done. Even onions are also like that, because they were not gonna grow anymore. There's no um, liquid or water flowing on their leaves, so they were gonna dry. or else you can just leave there and grow them for next year. But I don't like to let them there because there are tomatoes. So now the tomatoes on this part can grow better. Yeah, there. Oh, these two tomatoes are very near each other, so I'm going to adjust. Because I still can adjust. You know, I buried the whole tomatoes so that it will gonna grow more roots and it will become more sturdier. So just like that. Okay. I think these are, I don't know if these are also ready. Check it. Oh, but they are still standing. I will just let them grow a little bit because they are still standing, and yeah, it doesn't bother me. So guys, this is the first harvest of the garlic, although there are no bulbs. There are no cloves developed. It's like the Chinese garlic, the one cloves garlic. And because they should stay on the soil longer, but since they bent, yeah, because the soil is, it's not soil, it's sand, it's dry. So anyway, they are still garlic and they are delicious. So that's my first harvest of the garlic this year 2023, and thank you so much. And I still have here onions. I don't know when will they gonna be ready to harvest, and I still have those garlic there. They are bigger garlic, so maybe end of June they are ready. They are just started growing their bulbs now, and maybe end of June they are ready to harvest. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Lauren. Thank you. Bye bye.